Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing, and this is gonna be Sweet Girl, the flower version. Yeah, I'm sorry if this is not like the greatest setup, but this is what I can come up with right now. So, the front and the back with the track list, and then this says the destiny. Each scent of B1A4 comes as one. Keep reminiscing, something like that, I don't know that word, and waiting until the moment of blossom together forever. B1A4, you're so poetic. We're gonna take this off, and we are left with everything? Oh wait, this is the one that has the flower. Okay, this is the flower, this has everything. Okay, sorry. So I just took out the plastic photocard somewhere in here. I think I saw the corner of the photocard. Okay, sorry. So we get this beautiful thing. I don't know. It looks like cotton. And the flower. And then again with those shots of like. You guys know like those disposable cameras, the ones that you accidentally take a picture and it looks kind of like this. That's what this reminds me of. And then this is bottle, right? Yeah, bottle. And it says, I don't know what this feeling inside of me is. I don't know either. Yeah, and then bottle again. Just look at bottle, admire bottle. And then CNU, Shinyu. Again, Shinyu, and it says, I think I started to know it a little better. Oh, so this is like a story. And then Jingyang and that picture again, okay. But Jingyang, oh my god, I love his eyes. Oh my god. And Jingyang again. Oh my god. And Gangchan. Gangchan is killing me in these photo books. Oh my god. It says we are facing each other in the mirror, but comma, something's gonna happen. The Gangchan's staring at me. Gangchan's like staring at my soul. Why? Let's just continue because I'm gonna die. And then Gangchan. Oh my god, guys. Why? And then Sander. Oh, the butterfly. I love his hair. And Sander again, and then says, sometimes we become someone who are not us. That is so true. But he looks so good in that picture. And then this is Shinyu, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not, I think. And then Jingyang and Gangchan again. Oh my god. And then Gangchan again. With the butterfly in his mouth. And then the photocard is the next one. Guys, I don't know what to expect. I want Gangchan, but I don't want. I already have both of the group photos, and I hope I don't get that because I don't want repeats. Let's see. Oh, that's Shinyu! Yay! All right. Picnic with Bana. I'm not gonna even read that. Oh. Then it has the grade card, and it's number 1, like 1 star. So yeah. Oh, this is cool. This is awesome. Let's continue with the photo book. So Jingyang, Sander, and then Baro. Oh my god, what's up with these pictures? And so awkwardly in his side stomach. It says, it is very natural. Anyone would do that. So this is like a conversation between the guy and the girl. Then Shinyu and Baro. And then, oh my god. Oh. Jingyang. What is it with B1A4 these type of pictures, like, ah. Oh, yeah. Why? Oh my god. And then Jinyu. Guys, I'm not okay. But seriously, oh my god, oh my god, I feel so awkward staring at him. And I'm like, okay, let's continue. My eyes are getting watery for some reason. Okay, and then bottom. And then Sundin, he looks like an angel. And then Jinyoung, oh my god, this picture. And then Gongchan, this is my favorite picture of Gongchan. I just love this picture, and I am so happy that this picture is actually on one of the posters. But I love it. Okay, and then Gongchan again. And then Jinyu, I think. And it says, this feeling is so sweet, warm, and cozy. Okay. And then continuing to the thanks to for each of the members. And then the lyrics were, sweet girl, you're a girl, I'm a boy. I don't know how to say the number because there's two systems. But 10, beyond who? Wait. Love is magic. And that's it. And then the credits. And the CD, is it the same? It's the same. The CD, the art of the CD is the same as the other ones. But it looks so cool. It's like the clouds. I think we're in the clouds with B1A4. And that was it for the unboxing of B1A4. Sweet girl. Ooh, nice. So that was it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.